What is up, everyone? In today's video I'm going to be installing new cam position sensor O-rings on my new VQ35DE rev up motor. Obviously it's actually not a new one. I ended up picking up a used motor, guys, back out in Florida with 64K on it. Now I'm basically kind of doing a overall reseal of the motor for the warranty of the engine itself, and even if it didn't come with the warranty, I'd reseal what needed to be resealed. So I'm going to be resealing the cam position sensor O-rings, the valve cover gaskets, the rear main seal, upper and lower oil pan. Basically kind of doing a reseal on the motor itself. Now I know it's only got 60K, but this is going to ensure that once I get my motor in my car, I'm not going to have to worry about the drivetrain at all, because that's the last thing I want to do, is throw a motor in my car and then all of a sudden it's leaking. Or it's leaking 5,000, 10,000 miles down the road. I'd rather just reseal the engine and then not have to worry about any of those problems. But yeah, in today's video it's going to be very simple. Just going to be doing those cam position sensor O-rings. This isn't exactly a how-to, it kind of is, but my motor is already out of my vehicle, so getting to these position sensors may be a little bit more difficult for you guys. But I will show you guys the process. It's very simple. So let's get into it. Alright, everyone, I'm basically just going to go 1, 2, 3, 4 and do that across. Now this is going to be the part number for you guys. Obviously pick these up from Nissan themselves. Right there, you can pause that if you want. Now if you have a VQ35DE rev up motor, you're going to be needing 4 of these washers. And if you have a VQ35DE motor, you're just going to be needing 2. But yeah, you're going to be needing a 10mm socket. And I'm just going to buzz this one off. Just like so. Alright. Now as you see, over time these O-rings can tend to wear out and become flat and allow oil to pass through the sensor, causing it to leak on the back of the head. It is always best to work on a clean surface, so I placed down some lint-free rags. Now what I'm going to be doing right now, which is what I'm going to be doing with every single one of these sensors itself, is just taking a little pocket screwdriver, going underneath the O-ring, very carefully, lifting it up, and bringing it over. You don't want to damage the sensor at all, so obviously you want to be careful. And once we've taken that O-ring out, we can walk it right across the sensor and take it out. That is the old O-ring. Let's grab a new one. Now also with this new O-ring itself, I'm going to be putting a dab of new oil around the O-ring, so obviously it's easier to put in the head itself. You want to make sure that's lubricated. Now I actually ran out of gloves at my house, but I am going to be using my hands without a glove. Recommend using gloves. But I'm just going to be lubricating this O-ring with a little bit of fresh oil. And we're obviously going to slide it on that cam position sensor. Bring it all the way down, and just like that we have our new O-ring. I have my fan on, hopefully it's not too loud for you guys, but now that we have our new O-ring on, I'm actually going to be cleaning that surface, getting all the old gunk out, making sure we have a clean mating surface. And obviously we have our new oil on that O-ring. And now we are just going to very carefully slide this in, press down, and then reinstall that bolt. And then we're going to be torquing this bolt between 75 and 95 inch-pounds. That is what the Haynes manual says, and Nissan actually says 85 inch-pounds. So I'm going to be torquing it to 85 inch-pounds. And then obviously Haynes manual says between 75 and 95. 85's right in the middle of that. Now I only tighten it down very lightly with my hand because 85 inch-pounds is basically nothing. But obviously I have my snap-on electric and we're just going to tighten this to 85 inch-pounds. Which, like I said, is nothing. So you want to go very slowly. Last thing you want to do is over tighten the bolt and break it. 85 inch-pounds exactly. And now we are basically just going to do that with the rest of the sensors. Hey everyone, I hope you enjoyed that video. Like I said earlier, I am trying my best to be able to make some videos for you guys, but I only have a specific amount of time to get this motor in my vehicle, and there's a lot of stuff I'm getting done with this, the trans, the body itself. There's a lot of stuff that's going on right now, so I'm trying to make videos and upload them when I can, but things are a little bit rough. But yeah, hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please make sure to like, rate, comment, subscribe, and share if you can. I'm almost to 2,000 subscribers, and once I get there, I'll be doing a tool giveaway. So definitely make sure to check out my thank you 2,000 subscriber giveaway video so you can see how to enter. So I'm going to be giving away some tools. Alright guys, have a good day.